Nico and always Nico and always với có việc sẽ khó khăn tao về miền này khó khănอย่างน่ะโอเคกันทั้งที่ชมนังบางฮันลูกเนี่ยแต่ต้นจมูกนึงการปราเบียดท่า always Hi there, this is Mr. Ray. Welcome back to my class. Today I'm going to tell you something about tips of learning new vocabulary. Do you always watch my video clip? I'm really excited if I know that you really want to watch my video. I hope you can watch always. Alright, so today we are going to learn about a new word of always and always. So today'sเราคุมในตอนนี้ได้เรียนภาษาอังกฤษในที่ที่หนึ่งมอจะเจอคนนี้แต่ต้นจมูกในการปราในปีจำนวนปีเปียแต่ always Nico and always Nico and always ไว้ก็วิธีใช้ของนี้ตาวเมียนในของนี้อย่างน่ะโอเคกันทั้งที่ชมนังบางฮันลูกเนี่ยแต่ต้นจมูกในการปราเปียท่า always แล้วยืมมือเลือกกระดาษที่ดอกนี่จะมุนผู้ที่หอแต่ช่วยเรื่องนี้กันแต่นี่อยู่บนทางจริงองค์ที่หอที่มุ้ย I always stay alone on Monday ខ្ញុំតែងតែនៅម្នាក់ឯងរាល់ថ្ងៃច័ន្ទគេដែលតែម្ដងខ្ញុំគាត់អត់នៅផ្ទះទេថ្ងៃច័ន្ទគាត់ទៅបរិញ្ញាបត្រនៅស្រុកអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំទំនេរគេរាល់ថ្ងៃច័ន្ទ So I am always excited អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំតែងតែរំភើបចិត្តដោយសារតែថ្ងៃច័ន្ទខ្ញុំទំនេរអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំរំភើបចិត្តទៅគេ free just kidding right so អញ្ចឹង always ណាវាគឺជា adverb of frequencyអ្នកយល់ហើយ adverb of frequency គេប្រើប្រាស់ដើម្បីបង្ហាញអំពីសកម្មភាពតើយើងធ្វើបានយ៉ាងណានៅក្នុងរយៈពេលមួយថ្ងៃពីរថ្ងៃក៏មួយអាទិត្យក៏មួយឆ្នាំតើយើងធ្វើយ៉ាងណាមានន័យថាយើងធ្វើបានប្រហែលដងអញ្ចឹងពាក្យថា always មានន័យថា 100% គេគឺតែងតែអានេះគេប្រើពាក្យថា always អញ្ចឹង position តួនាទីរបស់ always វាឈរនៅខាងណាគឺវាឈរនៅខាងមុខ main verb ហើយនេះគឺជា main verb អញ្ចឹង always គឺឈរនៅខាងមុខ main verbs ក៏ប៉ុន្តែ always នេះវាឈរបន្ទាប់ពី auxiliary verb វិញណាវាឈរបន្ទាប់ពី to be វិញហើយអញ្ចឹងតែចំណាំពី position ណាទីតាំងរបស់វាគឺវាឈរនៅខាងមុខ main verb ហើយវាឈរខាងក្រោយ auxiliary verb to be អូខេចុះចំណែក I always នេះវិញអូខេយើងមកឧទាហរណ៍ I have looked at the problem always ខ្ញុំក្រឡេកមើលពីបញ្ហានៅ always កន្លែងនេះមានន័យថា from all side អូខេអញ្ចឹងមានថាមកពីគ្រប់ជ្រុងទាំងអស់អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំមានដល់ពេលខ្ញុំក្រឡេកមើលបញ្ហាគឺខ្ញុំក្រឡេកមើលនៅ always គឺគ្រប់ជ្រុងទាំងអស់អញ្ចឹងពាក្យថា always ដែលមានតួនាទីជា adverb of frequency យើងប្រើមកថាតែងតែចំណែក always នេះវិញយើងប្រើមកថាគ្រប់ជ្រុងគ្រប់ទីតាំងណាគ្រប់កន្លែងដែលវាជាបញ្ហាអានេះគេប្រើពាក្យថា always សម្រាប់តែវីដេអូនេះនឹងអាចជួយលោកអ្នកប្រើប្រាស់នៅការប្រើប្រាស់ពាក្យឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវជាងមុនជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយ